And once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Jeff and Carly's Wedding Day celebration. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to introduce the parents of our newlyweds, starting first with the mother of the groom. Everyone having a nice big round of applause for Linda Kunzberg, escorted by her husband, Rolf. Next, ladies and gentlemen, a nice big round of applause for the father of the groom. Mr. Bert Meyer is escorting his wife, Patty. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to warm this room up for our newlyweds, we want to get everybody on their feet and towards the dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would move towards the edge of the dance floor. You can all move up towards the edge of the dance floor. You can move up towards the edge of the dance floor. Move up. And welcome our newlyweds. Now everybody, get your hands together to the beat of the music. We want to warm it up for them. And it does give me great pleasure to introduce the new Mr. and Mrs. Jack Meyer. February 22nd, 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the new Mr. and Mrs. Jeff Meyer. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're happy for them, we want everyone to join them on the dance floor for one song. Here we go, everybody out to dance. Everyone happy for our newlyweds. Come out and join them. It's party time. All right, everyone, put your hands high in the air. Scream for the newlyweds. All right, everyone, believe it or not, it's time for our toast, and then they're going to serve your first course. But then I promise we're going to dance the rest of the night. So everyone, let's get everyone seated. All right, we need two circles. We want to get one circle in the middle with the family, and everybody a big circle around the outside. All right, now let's switch directions, switch directions, switch directions. Can we get them close enough for a kiss? Can we get them close enough for a kiss? Kiss, one more kiss. How about just our newlyweds in the middle of that circle? Our newlyweds in the middle. Keep it going, keep it going. Now inside circle and give them a hug. Give them a hug. Back up, let them dance a little more.
Girl wobbling, and I'ma gobble it. I see you moving your head, go ahead, bobble it. We can straight on the bed, I'm straight ragged, and the girl say, man, like that, dirty like shit. Yeah, I'm so expensive, but I can't help my flow ridiculous. Boy, got a gift like it gotta be Christmas. Swag on this like it gotta be gifted. Shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down, shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down now.
Everybody want to hear it for our groom. He's going to take it slowly here to retrieve the garter. He's got it, everybody. Let's hear it for him. All right, now I'm going to turn the microphone up a little bit for Carly because we're going to have her call out all the single ladies here. Ladies, here, come on, ladies. We want to get you in here a little closer. Get in here together. Now, ladies, remember this is a picture for the wedding album. So, ladies, we want to get your hands high up in the air. Hands high up in the air. Ready to catch this? 1, 2, 3, throw! Good. Just trying to find out who the anxious ones are. And she's got it. All right, now let's take it around some of the tables. Take it around the tables and go get them. We'll go in and out of the tables. If you know their names, call their names out. We want to twist it up. We're going to give the newlyweds a hug out there and keep it going. Now let's see it, everybody. Stop where you are. Put your hands in the air and let us scream for the newlyweds. Now clap your hands for them. Clap your hands for them.
Slide to the right, slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it up. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 3 hours this time. Right foot down. Left foot down.
Well, why don't we do this by your screams and yells? What do you say? Should our bride feed her groom last? Smattering of applause. All right, let's hear it for Jeff. Should Jeff get to feed his bride last? They're calling for same time. So, Jim, play that Def Leppard and let's see them feed each other at the same time.
Hi Jeff, I've had the best time at our wedding and I can't wait to go on our honeymoon together. You look absolutely handsome and I love you so much.